Hi, this is Lights here. I've just gotten my first big head from LazyLupe. I'm waiting for this forever, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing video and yeah, we'll see how we go. So on with the tape walls. She's also drawn me on the box, so I'm going to try not to ruin that. So I'm so not good with this stuff. Okay. Kind of. Oh my god! Holy crap, they're adorable! Oh my god. I've only dreamt about this day for like ages. They're really big and it's so cute. And they're really well built too, so they're really durable, which is really good. I like it. I only ordered the hands and the head, so it's not like a full suit or anything. And this is the head.
Oh my god.
Is it adorable? Oh god, that is so cool. I love it. Oh, the nose has a texture to it. So cute. And the eyes. The little hair poof. He's got some cardboard in his hair, but that's okay. I can get that out. His little antenna. His ears wobble, look at that. Oh, she's even got the plugs in. These little plugs.
That's so sick.
Yeah. Oh, I was afraid. Oh, hang on. I was afraid I wasn't going to get him in time, but oh my god, I couldn't have asked for anything better. They're so cool. Oh my god.
I love the nose, it's so cute.
Oh man. This is amazing. I couldn't have asked for anything better. This is so cool. Like, the hair's all good, and he held up really well for express shipping. I'm very happy with it. So yeah, expect a lot of photos from this guy. The eyes, I love the eyes. So cute. I'd like to thank LazyLupe for making this. I'm so happy with him. Couldn't have asked for anything better. This is just so damn cute. It's so cute, it wants your teeth out, it really is. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a photo with this guy. And look for me walking around the Stereosonic with this guy. So, bye.